Hey, what's going on guys, my name is Cesar, thanks for being here. And on this video I'm going to show you how to start an affiliate marketing project combined with cryptocurrency. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I want to show you some results that I have with Clickbank Marketplace. This is basically a website that you can use to promote products, and you can see I have a sale here, I have another sale here. I'm going to refresh the page so you can see this is my Clickbank report account. I have my number of hops and the sales amount right there. So for this project I'm going to click here in Wealthy Affiliate website because I want to buy a new domain, and I'm going to click here and register a domain. Let me see, and I'm going to find a domain for this project, cryptocesar.com. I'm going to add this to my cart, then go to checkout, and as you can see, this Wealthy Affiliate software gives me privacy, email, hosting, backups, and support. So I'm going to continue this. The domain pricing is going to be $15 per year, so it's quite cheap. And I'm going to buy this and I will get back to you as soon as possible, guys. Okay guys, I have bought the domain. You can see the screen, your domain has been registered and you're nearly ready to install your website. And your brand new domain can take anywhere to 30 minutes to 24 hours to register and propagate through the entire internet. So typically this takes just a couple of minutes. I have the domain privacy settings on, so I'm going to go to build a new website. And let me see, domain I own. And as you can see, I have here my new domain. So this is going to be a project, an affiliate marketing project combined with cryptocurrency. And so enter a title for your website, and I can change this if I want in the future, but I'm going to put here cryptocurrency reviews. And this part, it's very important guys, because we need to choose a theme that is fast. And I have been working with a theme in one of my websites. Let me see if I can find, and the domain, it's this one or that one. I'm going to click here in the demo to see this website. This is the dark version. It's dark. And I have already used this one, so I'm going to choose the dark version, and if I want I can change the I can change this later. I'm going to choose this, choose theme. So I'm going to build my website, clicking here. Hold tight, we're building you something amazing. Okay guys, as you can see in the screen, this is my domain here, cryptocesar, and this is the website. So I'm going to keep making this video series so you can see how I'm going to work on this new project. So if you need a software or a platform where you can buy a domains and build websites I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description. This is my wealthy affiliate link, so you can see it's very simple to buy domains and build websites, and then basically you need to create all the content. So I'm going to post more videos like this so you can learn and how anyone can combine an affiliate marketing strategy with cryptocurrency to make money online. So that's it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.